New book Successful Mission highlights Afghan development, bureaucracy, and democracy in the last 20 years. The new book Successful Mission explores the recent story of Afghanistan's development, bureaucracy, and democracy. It offers a compelling look into Mr. Abdul Jabbar Naeemi's influential role as provincial governor in Afghanistan from 2005 to 2020. The book details Mr. Naeemi's key contributions, including his involvement in the Constitution Loya Jirga and his support for Hamid Karzai's presidential campaign among Afghan refugees in Pakistan. The book explores Naeemi's extensive work across Maidan Wardak, Khost, Lagman, and Kunduz provinces, emphasizing major infrastructure projects, particularly those essential for modern governance and statehood. The book thoroughly examines his efforts to enhance local development, governance, and manage political and local challenges. Successful Mission is a significant addition to understanding contemporary Afghan development, bureaucracy, and democracy, and provides valuable insights into governance in the presence of the international community in Afghanistan.